Yo. Yeah. What's good? Who's out there? Who's there? Yo. See what the fuck's going on over here. Who's out there? Who's out there? Hope you guys are having a good day. Oh my goodness. It looks, this is a lot. 300 points since what? 3 hours? But man, it's like nothing compared to how it's been in the last weeks. Crazy. Uncle Mo, Barlow, Keegan, Olisa, A28, Traders Each, V33, Logan, Kenny, K-Spec, Life with 12 Dogs, Elaine G, Marco, Matt O'Rourke, Nick Trades, Father of Legends, Jason, Lee, Newts, Zero Sleep J, Error, Great Dane. Yes, sir. Dude, I wish, man. I wish. Believe me, I'm trying. I'm trying, man. I don't think I'm up. I don't think I'm good enough to that. In their eyes, I'm not good enough. That's what it seems like to me. That's what it seems like to me. Daniel Mid, Eddie. Nice job, man. Nice job, Eddie. Block Council, Chopsticks, K. Soliman, Josh Jagasar. Well, because there's no chatter today about any of that shit. Seems that way. Jay Jackson, Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Grizzly, Trading Star, Pips Hunter, Shari, Bald Eagle, Raphael, El Sweet, Baja. Yeah, it took a whole 20 minutes to hit your target instead of fucking 2-minute candles. What up, Ben? Yeah, so, man, I did the dumbest shit last night. Well, I did a lot of dumb shit. Elite Trader Funding. Confused. Nice. I got leftover from Don's Prime in La Fontaine Bleue. The Fontainebleau, or however the fuck you say it. We went there last night for my wife's birthday. Fucking incredible, man. That shit was so fucking good. Mwah! The service was amazing. The food was amazing. I got a nice fucking piece of New York steak left over and some sides because I got full, of course. Best steak I've had on the strip. And the other places were good that I've had, but not even close. It's right up there with my favorite spot that's like 5 minutes from my house, believe it or not. I didn't do the Wagyu. I was full Swagyu. Paul, what up? Manco Pack, what up? Yeah, I wouldn't fuck with Elite Trader Funding. Mr. Fafo, J Money, Josh Strategist, what up? JK, Wagyu is sick cow. Don't eat it. Yeah, I don't go out of my way to eat that shit. Central. All right, so let me show you what the fuck's going on here. Here's my Top Step account. Yeah, Fontainebleau. Fontainebleau. Don's Prime. Trevor LeConte, I reserved a table under 0 fucks given. Yeah, it was under the ZFG group. Peter Schapp, what up? Next trade, Lou. Matt O'Rourke. True story. Slick Rick the Ruler. Here's an oldie but goodie. Hit it. Now your wife, she don't like to have sex a lot, but tonight she's ready and she's hot, hot, hot. What song is that? What song is that? Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Findy. Don't fucking cheat. Where are my old heads at? They would fucking know. Vivian. Miss Goody. Oh, shit. Lord Woodslinger. King. What up, King Delay? All right, so here's my fucking Tony Gold. Here's my fucking, my XFAs. Day 4 in the books on all 3 of these. The leaders and the followers. Right here. Old heads in the house. Still waiting for someone to tell me what song that was. I already gave you the hint because I said Slick Rick, saying what up to Slick Rick. It's a Slick Rick song. All right, so that's that. I'm not saying it again, Tony Gold. I might get in trouble. I said too much already. All right, what else can I show you? Here are 6 of my 7 PAs. I fucking nuked one during the New York Open. Fucking around. I actually had it back, and then, but look at this. Look at all this. This is the one that I need to grow to 75,000. Well, let me make this. This shit's annoying. I don't want to hide my accounts. I'm not like other streamers. I'm not like other streamers hiding my accounts. Come on, son. Get the fuck out of here with that shit. All right, so here's the one I need to grow to 75K. I got it up another 2,100. So it's at 60. How the fuck was it? I just don't understand that, but whatever. It's over 62 grand. V33. It's called Tony Gold. Here's another lyric. Don't cheat. She screams, I love you, Harold, but your name is Will. Come on. Somebody's got to know this shit. Anybody. Anyway, so these are one of them I blew. Here's the other 6. These are 61. No, which one? 61, 62, 63, and 65 are brand new. 673, 583, 1519, 773, 260s up 1,000 today, which is nice because I mean, I'm not complaining, but I only got like $467 on day 1, which was Friday. A milli. Haters swear I'm gonna blow this shit up. I hope to prove them wrong, just so I can tell them to go fuck themselves, even though I would tell them to go fuck themselves anyway. Fucking losers. Anyway, so that's that. Nice fucking job, Jason. I don't know if it's commissions. I'm not really sure. I think it might have been because I didn't hit my take profit. Well, I don't remember. I don't remember the trade. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. I don't fucking remember. So that's that. That's fucking wealth charts. Yes, most of them are Clone Slater. Most of them. All right, guys, you ready to know what the fucking song is, man? I can't believe not a single fucking soul in here. Such a great album, too. This is from the album The Great Adventures of Slick Rick. Yo, what up, Carlos? Oh, okay. Jay Jackson. There it is. Jay Jackson. Treat her like a prostitute. Don't treat no girlie well. Treat no girlie well. Call Apex for me. Why don't you have fucking PW call Apex? He's got the hook. Gary, what up? Matt That whole album is fucking the shit. Anyway, all right, so that's that. Joe, just take the money, bro. How many days you got in Trading Star? Did you not take the money the last time? After I begged you to take the money. Oh, you were born in 1990? I think you were born like a year or two before that fucking album came out. When did that album come out? No, it's just from like, oh, from 1988, bro. 88. I forgot it was that fucking old. That's from 88. What a fucking great album. Robin, they're fucking backed up as a mofo. Trading Star. Take the money, bro. Do not trade that account anymore, please. Get the money. You need, I know you've gotten payouts before, but like, I think you have. You need to, I don't care how many times you've gotten a payout. You need to have the, you need to fucking, we're all sitting here fucking trading, right? We're all doing dumb shit. So when you do something good, you got to fucking see it all the way through and reward yourself for doing good shit, right? The good shit will outweigh the bad shit only if you take the money. Bigger picture, exactly. 89 is a sweet. Is that when you were born, Newts? Hey, Robin, that's all right. Maybe they did you a favor by making you wait. You don't know. Thank you, Google. So that's that. That's this account. And then here's my Tradeovate account with Apex. I can explain. Let me explain something here. All right. So I trade these. I'm up. I give back gains. Go back up again. Give back gains. Go back up. I'm done. Then I move on to this group right here. I fucking place an order. It gets partially filled, and only three of the four fucking accounts get filled. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? And while all that's happening, we're fucking losing money. And I'm confused. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck happened. Then I'm like, all right, I'm not going to trade this. It turns out 255 didn't get filled. So I leave that one alone. I remove it from the group. Then I go in fucking long, and I get fucking bottom ticked. And I was only down like 500. I don't even know what I was down at that point. 500, 600, maybe even 700. But all I know is that trade I was in where I got bottom ticked at the VWAP. It was like around what, 4:30? And it was after I said, you know what, I should go to bed now because I needed to go to sleep because I had a fucking 9 o'clock physical therapist appointment. And I stayed up the whole fucking time. I should have went to bed, and then this happened. I was so fucking confused and annoyed and tired. And then, of course, I get literally bottom fucking ticked. It goes and hits my take profit in like 1 or 2 candles. And I would have been done for the day in those 3 accounts. And then I thought I had this back. I put this back in the group because I traded this by itself, and they were kind of close in terms of where they were at. And then I fucking thought I fucking had the group checked off, and I went in with fucking like 8 in this fucking thing, and I blew it. And then these 3, I ended up blowing anyway. And then after that, I traded these. And then I had all these fucking evals I didn't want. All these evals I never wanted, but they rebuilt. I forgot to cancel the rebuild, and I was only able to pass 1 playing Passer Smash during the open. So whatever. So I have 4, 8, 6, and then I'll have 15. I'll have 15 because I'm going to activate this one later or whatever. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. Bobby Lashley, what up? Yeah, bro, you got to take the fucking money, guys. I think what's happening too, Clone Slater, as many people, there's a ton of people getting wrecked right now with this fucking price action and these conditions because of all this tariff talk, right? But there's also people, the good traders, the better traders are fucking banking with this shit. So I don't know. I think they're okay. I think Apex is just scrounging around because they got to pay a dude like $3 million. How much does JCap? How much does JCap fucking do? Pine Tree, what's good? Mr. Varma, Yash, what up? TJP. I think my dog wants to go out. One sec. I gotta let my dog out. Gotta let my dog out. So then after all that happened, I still haven't gone back to sleep yet, right? And Sanyel, what up? Cassius Clay. I don't know if we're dumping. I don't know if we're necessarily going to dump, but we did reject off of this pivot. Maybe we're going to the VWAP. You got the bottom orb here. So then I was finally able to activate my Take Profit Trader accounts. 3 of them. Although they gave me I was supposed to get 225 activation credits and a 50. Well, it didn't matter. What they put in the account where it says active, Go Pro, where you hit the button and then you could activate them. It was supposed to be 225s and a 50. Instead, it was 250s and a 25. So one of the 25s that I passed last week is still sitting in the fucking test side. So, of course, I activated them all anyway, one at a time. And what do? I was greening all of them, and I blew all of them. Actually, one of them, I don't even have them in the account anymore. I ended up getting more evals. So this one's still fucking sitting here. This was right before the open. But this one's still sitting here. I passed this one last week. It's been fucking passed. And then these 2 I got brand new, and I pushed them halfway. So I'm just playing that fucking game. But the fucking annoying thing about it is this. Let me show you. This one. This 50K. This 50K right here. Notice how I'm at a drawdown. Well, whatever. This 50K was at, look, I'm at $4,900, $915. Do the fucking math. It was even higher, obviously, but it goes static once you're over the buffer. This one was at least, right? This one was at least 52,000. Guess where it really was? It was at 20. I was at $2,495, and any other fucking time I would have fucking stopped. But this time I decided, I think I could get more because I wanted I was waiting for this 20-point move in either direction. What are you looking for? For what? Oh, well, save some for me.
Yeah, love you.
Love you too. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Anyway, my wife needed my debit card. Oh, our debit. No, this one just has my name on it. Obviously, it's all hers. We all know. Coach Fred. Just ain't right. Mwah. Yeah, just ain't right. You were there for that shit. It was so fucked up. Eric J. Yeah, she knows what to do, Gary. And what up? I was up 2,500 in this account right here. This one that's set. Hold on. Is my face in the way? 724. This one was up 2,500. This one was the 20. Wait, what? What the fuck is this? Yeah, see, I had 250s. This one was up a few hundred. One of these was up $2,500. The other one was up I don't remember. They were all green though. And then the 25K, let me see if I can find the 25K. This is it right here. This 25K was up I was trying to go for the fucking day one payout. I had it. I was 1 for 2. And then I gave it all back and fucking blew the account like a dumb fuck. So it's my fault. Obviously, I'm a fucking idiot. I would have loved to have been able to request $495. I was up $2,495. $495 times 0.8. This is what I'm talking about. I'm telling you guys to take the money for a reason, because you don't want to be a dumb fuck like me. I'm a dumb fuck. I could have taken $396 after fees. After they took their little cut, I could have walked away with $396 dollars after day one. Now I got to fucking do it all over again and pass these all over again. And, you know, Take Profit Trade has been so fucking slammed and backed up that it might take me longer to get my accounts than normal. But whatever. I'll play the fucking game. Yeah, I'm not even mad. I was, you know what I did after that? I got 2 more fucking test accounts, pushed them halfway up, and then I got 2 more fucking combines on Top Step and pushed those halfway up. I didn't fucking cry about it. I just kept moving. I just kept it fucking moving. Carlos. So, plus I'm going to be on Top Step TV tomorrow. Right? My goal, here's my goal for Top Step TV. You see these 3 accounts? My goal, my plan, if I could execute this plan, right? What the fuck is this? All right, here we go. All 3 of these accounts, right? These are the combines. The fucking XFAs. These 3 XFAs, they're all got day 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Here they are. My goal is to go into Top Step TV tomorrow morning. I'll be on, well, morning for me, 12:15 p.m. Eastern. I will be on Top Step TV again. Come hang out if you want. My goal is to be able to go on there and say, yeah, buddy, I clinched another fucking payout. Boy, oi, 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 and start doing the dance and shit. That's my goal. I do not want to fucking trade these. I could either do that or I could save these for Top Step TV and clinch it on the stream. I don't want to risk it. Honestly, I don't want to risk it. I don't want to put that kind of pressure on myself because it's unnecessary pressure. So what I did was my goal is to fucking get this shit done before I go on Top Step TV, get another $200 day in, clinch fucking at least $3,000, right? If I just do $2,000 in these accounts, they're at 1955, and 1935. So I'll be at 2100. I'll be able to fucking request 1150 times 3, give or take, right? At least 1150 times 3. I'll be able to request 3450, and then if I could get the job done. And then while I'm on Top Step TV, clinch these 2, right? I got these 2. I'll put them together in a group, and I'll see if I could fucking get them fucking passed. And I'll have 5 XFAs. That's the goal. So that's what my plan is. Tukey. Yep. Someone was actually at the end of the MB. Thank you. Don't congratulate me. Don't congratulate me yet. I need to get the 5th day in. Don't congratulate shit yet. Matt O'Rourke. You lost respect for me. And then some fucking, what up? Any discounts on bulenox Re? What up, Corey? Re, 75% off. Option 1 and option 2. Option 2 is end of day. When you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Let me drop my fucking link in here. I haven't dropped any links in the chat yet. Bowser, what up? Nice job, man. Yeah, I had 2,500 in the bag and I didn't take it. I had 2,500 in the bag and didn't take it like a fucking dummy. That's my fault for being a dumb fuck. So whatever. And then my goal with all these fucking Apex accounts is to get at least half of them. Man, if I could get 5 of them to a payout, that would be amazing. But I want to get more than 5. I want to do like 8 to 10. I want to get like 8 to 10 of these to a fucking payout. Especially this big one. Just so I could fucking slap this account's gigantic cock across the haters' faces. Maybe I'm going to get an adult restriction on this one because it's fun to do that. Isle Boy, what up? Don Burberry. I don't know. Are they doing new rules yet? Pro Trader Mike, what's good? The futures that says 40% off with no activation fee. Not bad. Can you get paid on day one? Konija. Can you get paid every day like Take Profit Trader? I don't know how they do it. All I know is that Gary. All I know is oh really? That's interesting. They're really pushing hard. Don't know them, don't trust them, but Carlos, yeah, I mean, yeah. I bagged myself, bro. I bagged myself. Raider, yeah, it's a 50K. I got into it. Zayback. What other problem is good with discounts? I mean, My Fund the Futures is doing 40% off those new Eval the Live accounts if you want to fuck with them. 40% off. You could get the one that you have to pass a 50K twice before you can start working to a payout. You could get that for 119 bucks now, which is pretty cheap for that type of account. But I'd rather get a starter account for 92 bucks when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY to get 5% off. All of the My Fund the Futures stuff, anything that's not on sale, you could still get 5% off, including resets, when you put in code ZERODAYJAY. Raider, I mean, that's fine, Raider. Yeah. Too bad I couldn't make a mistake trade in a Top Step XFA or a Take Profit Trader account. It was a mistake trade that made me like $7,000. That was the problem. It was like 6,800 when it was all said and done when I got out of the trade. Why couldn't I make that trade on a Take Profit Trader funded account or an XFA? Where at least on the XFA, I could have gotten half of it. You know? Franny, it's a 50, it's wealth charts, 50K, 50K Apex. These are all 50Ks. 40% off on, it's the fucking Eval the Live ones. I'm not a huge fan of them personally. Stephen Cox, what up? Sly Fox, am I an affiliate for Trade Day? I am. I do like Trade Day. You could get, I'm waiting on a rebill to come through in a couple of days, but you could get they're doing 40% off any type of account, any size. The issue with Trade Day is they're still, I heard that they're going to let you have as many as 3 accounts, but right now you can only have 1 account. You know, it's kind of fucking not as exciting as all the other prop firms. But you could get an intraday 50K for 75 bucks. Titus, what up? Why don't I like the Eval to Live accounts? I'll show you. Jamil is the only one who likes them. What up, HR? Thank you. Thank you. No, there's no monthly market data fee. Enron has a new prop firm. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Alfred. 7 day. There's a 7-day minimum with Trade Day and a 30% consistency rule on the evals. It's not sexy. It's not sexy at all. So, like I was saying before, I'll get into the My Fund the Futures account. Take Profit Trader is 30% off right now plus no activation fee. When you use the best code ZERODAYJ. My Fund the Futures, it's 40% off. 40% off eval to live. And 5% off everything else, including resets, when you use the best code ZERODAYJ. Dropping my links in the chat. We were talking about fucking Trade Day. Trade Day's 40% off any type of account, intraday, static, end of day. You could get intraday 50K for 75 bucks. That's their cheapest product. It's actually pretty good. Anyway, best code for all this shit is ZERODAYJ. If you want to support the channel, of course, obviously, the fact that you're here, I appreciate the support. If you ever use my code, thank you very much for using it. If you've never used it and you plan on using it, thank you in advance. It does happen to have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. I don't have any actual data to confirm that, but the DGen data tells me this is the case. Apex is 50% off. Don't get any Apex accounts until they do something better. That's how I made 2,100 on PA240. Let me see if I can find the trade. Let me see if I can find the trade. It's a fucking pain on Wealth Charts to find anything. And then I got to get something from somewhere to trade. Look at this little bounce. All right, let's see. 240. This is another thing. I don't even know what the fuck this means. Sell, short, cover. The fuck is this? Right here. So I went short. I went short at 19,044.50 with 2 minis. I got filled. I think I trailed this. I either trailed it or I had my take profit. I don't fucking remember. Let me see. If I go to orders. Canceled. That's the stop loss. Yo, I feel like it hit my fucking take profit. It hit my take profit, so I don't understand what the fuck. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand. I'm pretty sure it hit my take profit. Maybe you know what that might be when I go to the account, the max account balance. That's because of Friday. This is including Friday. This is including like not just today, just all day. Like the whole time since I've had the account. I have 4 days in on this account. No. Yeah. This account has 4 days in now. I'm halfway in terms of required days. The issue I'm going to have with this account is I don't know on that trade that I accidentally got filled in because I forgot to cancel an order and I made $6,800 from it. Have I tried funding futures? No. Don Burberry. Yeah, see, yeah. Why couldn't they just? Yeah, I figured that, Sly Fox. I was like, why couldn't they just? I'm just so used to the lingo in Tradeovate. The order got filled, right? Why couldn't it just say fucking filled? Yeah, so I hit my take profit. I hit my take profit in that shit. Banger trade. I think it kept going down too, but whatever. I was happy with that. Banger fucking trade. And I could take bigger shots with this account because I have $12,195 of drawdown. Right? I got a lot of fucking room on that shit. I just don't want to do anything stupid. Notice I traded with similar size. I traded with 2 minis. I just caught a nice move. It didn't even take that long. How long did it take? Let's see. A minute and 4 seconds. I got filled at 3:16 and 58 seconds. My fucking take profit got hit at 3:18 and 2 seconds. Which is my time. This was right when the market reopened. This is my time. I'm on the West Coast. I'm on specific time. Anyway. Newts is losing respect for me. I can't. Yeah, Alfred, for real, bro. No joke. No fucking joke. All right. Let me show you this My Funded Futures. So the eval to live. There's a lot of reasons why I don't like it. I'm not saying it's a piece of shit account or anything. I just like the starter I like the starter the best. The starter is my favorite account. It's the easiest one to get paid on. So look. Here's the biggest thing I notice on these accounts. You got to pass once here before you could work to a fucking payout. Before you go right to live. So if you pass this, you go right to live. On this one, you have to pass a 50K twice before you could go live. Also, there's a consistency rule on evals. 20%. Is it 20%? 40% on evals. 50% on the funded, I guess. On the two-step. But you have to pass a 50K twice The biggest thing I don't like about it is this. You have only $1,500 of drawdown. $1,500 of drawdown. $1,500 on this one too. You have less drawdown. Look how much drawdown you have on a starter, $2,500. You even have more drawdown on an expert and a starter plus. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of it. But they're 40% off right now. So if you can make sense of it and it's something that you like, when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, you'll get 40% off of it. These are the eval to lives. The consistency rule on the funded, once you're live on I don't know why there would be any fucking consistency rule anyway. If it's a live account, who cares? But it's 20%. 20% consistency rule. You know, so once again, starter reigns supreme. You could get a starter account for as little as $92.15 when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. No activation fee. But for another $13, you could get a Take Profit Trader account and pass and be all in for $105 and get paid as soon as day one and every single day. So, like, really all depends. If you want to mix it up and spread your risk around, then, you know, I like the My Fund the Future starter. I have some rebuilds that are coming through. I'll just wait for them to come through and see if I could get the job done again. Peter Schapp. My cock small. What up? Carlos, I hope you're not trading that account, bro. Kahuna, thank you. Starter pluses aren't bad. Starter pluses aren't bad. The thing, you know, they just jacked up the prices. All I'm saying is, yeah, there's no activation fee, but like shit. Again, Take Profit Trader. You could get a 150K. You could get a 150K. Watch this. Motherfucker. I wanted a fucking, well, whatever. So you see this $377 a month. You could get a 150K for fucking $252 from Take Profit Trader. Not paying activation fee right now. Get paid as soon as day one and get paid daily. And you're not limited to just fucking what is it? $3,600 bucks. $3,600 every 5 days. You could do that every day with Take Profit Trader. That's all I'm saying. I like My Fund the Futures a lot. But if I had to choose between one or the other, right now, Take Profit Trader, you know, wins. They do pay fast as fuck. They pay the fastest. I've gotten paid in as little as 28 seconds from My Fund the Futures. Oh, we dropped to the VWAP. All right, let me get another account somewhere. The VWAP. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Oh, what up? Trader Backtest, what up? Nick T, yep. Money Viddy. I'm with you. Olivier, what up? Yeah, people like the starter pluses because there's no consistency. There's no consistency rule on the funded accounts. The starter has a 40% consistency rule. Let me fucking do something real quick here. Such a fucking degenerate. I'm still fucking salty about what I did to those. I had a Take Profit Trader account in payout land. Probably better I missed this. Probably better I missed it. And then this account's been passed since last Wednesday. What the fuck? All right. 618. What are we doing here? Man, we dropped 100 points. Is this support right here? Is this support? I think I missed it. That is support. Right here. Maybe. We'll see. Or is it going to keep dropping? Blew right through the bottom orb like it wasn't even there. Well, it bounced off of it once and retested something. Damn. What happened? Did Trump say something? Hamas is ready to hand over hostages. Whatever. Nothing going on there. I missed the bounce. Uh-oh. What a bounce. Uh, 13, 4, 120. Fuck me. Is it going to retest the VWAP? Is it going to retest the VWAP? What are we doing here? I missed the fucking bounce because I was too busy looking at financial juice. F4, what's good? M&M. My profit, in terms of like payouts, I don't know if I'm, honestly, I don't even know if I'm profitable for the year, to be honest with you. One fucking string of Apex payouts and for sure I'll be profitable. The VWAP. Am I going to regret this? Give it to me. Hit it. Let's go. Come on. Hey. Oh, I went up too much. $1,900. All right, let's lose some money. ZBM to the rescue. One, and then change it to one. You could go multiples, right? It makes it happen even faster. Boom, $1,501.25. Ho, 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 ho. J Stores, Mr. Solar. Yeah, you did that on a 25K lead. Yo, go to ZBM. Go to ZBM and enter and exit a trade. Open and close a trade. Mark it in and mark it out. You'll lose $31 per mini. In your case, you need to lose 275. No, 475. Enter in with like 5 and do it 3 times or 4. Simon, what up? Corey, what's good? Mr. Solar. Yeah, it's still going on, bro. 30% off any size test account, no activation fee. Use code ZERODAYJAY to make them holla. Make them holla with code ZERODAYJ. Here's my link. Dropping it in the chat again. Hope it triggers somebody. Hope somebody gets fucking triggered by it. There it is. 30% off, no activation fee. It's still going. What up, Tapped? Justice, what's good? Kahuna. Oh, thank you, man. See? The best fucking code. Mr. Solar. The check's in the mail. Damn, bro. You took 6,500 from 5 accounts you passed using the best code, ZERODAYJ. Zayback. It's so funny. Anytime there would actually be people who would get mad at me for putting links in the chat. Like, Jesus Christ. Cry fucking harder. All right. Alfred. Yeah. Oh, yeah, maybe that is. Oh, man, that would be great. One day getting that shit. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Retested the VWAP, and now we're down fucking 60 points. What up, Neil? Nice, Joe. Get the job done. The VWAP. It is until it's not, dude. What if, you know what I'm saying, bro? If you were going to play the bounce right here, you would have got fucked. Sometimes it blows right through it like it's not even there. What I like to look for also with the VWAP is the retest. A lot of times it'll come back. Like if it goes under it, if it goes above it or below it, right? It'll come and retest it and then continue in the direction it was going when it went through it. So we blew through it, right? We bounced and retested it and rejected off of it. Now look, we're even lower. It happens a lot like that. You know, like look, here's another example. We came up, went over it. We overshot The VWAP. Came back and retested it and then bounced even higher. Right? You see that? 90 fucking points, 80 points, whatever it is. And then here we retested it, and then we're down. So far, we're down 70 plus points. Yeah, Take Profit Trade is my favorite. I like Top Step, honestly, because I'm getting payouts with them. You know, it's not just because they let me hang out with them. Maybe it's the other way around. I let them hang out with me, right? Bowser. Whatever it's called. Are you amazed in Bowser? Trader backtest. The VWAP. I don't care what it's called. I'm going to come up with my own fucking name for it. Something real catchy. Something real catchy. Yeah. Yeah, I know, Mrs. Solar. I mean, I don't know why they would do that. Not having a consistency rule and just saying 5 days of 200 or more is what made them one of the best prop firms, right? Putting a consistency rule in, there's just so many people that trade on Top Step because there is no consistency rule. They went away from other prop firms that fucking either had a consistency rule or put one in place. I don't know, man. I don't think they should do it. But there's obviously, why do prop firms put in rules like that? Why do they put in rules? We all know why. Let's go, Brandon. Take Profit Traders always been my favorite since I started trading with them. Who cares? I don't know. I'd rather not have. I could pass evals in 2 days. I don't care about that. Piece of cake. You just play half a smash. Half a smash, right? Just wait for the right spot. I don't want consistency on a fucking funded account because I like getting the first day. I like having, like, I didn't really get to do it this time around, and I'm fine with it. But I love the possibility of, like, my approach with Top Step XFAs is having a big first day and then cruising the rest of the way. But sometimes just trying to get $200 could be the hardest fucking thing. Don't ask me how I know. What up, iTrade? Now they're going to get rid of that? I mean, damn, man. Why do they always got to fuck with something good? Robin. JK. Yeah, exactly, bro. Because you could fucking have a run up. You could fucking just catch a move, right? And you're even if you're trailing or you're a trend trader, you just ride a fucking move up. Like, I guarantee you somebody rode this fucking move down with an XFA and got fucking paid. And now with the consistency rule, if there's once that goes into play, or if it ever goes into play, now you got to do this all the time, or you got to grow the account further. It's just another way to pay out less money or pay out less frequently. Jason, it did work. I played half a smash with the whatchamacallit. At the VWAP rejection here. It was too easy. Smash the like button for Trevor Leconte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. I stream every single day for Power Hour 2 and 2 close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I also stream during the overnight, during London, no set time. Sometimes it bleeds into the early morning. Once in a while, I do what's called a whip stream when my son has soccer practice. What am I going to do when he doesn't play soccer anymore? The season's going to be over in a few months. Well, his not the season, but I don't know how long he's playing for, because it's it's like an under 18 thing. So he's going to be 18 soon. All the kids are turning 18. I might have to drive to a parking lot and just do a whip stream just so I can say I'm doing a whip stream. Those whip streams are fun. All right. All right. Let's see if we can do it one more time. All right. We look at where we bounce. We bounce like right off of this fucking shit right here. Crazy. Crazy. And this wick, basically. I don't know if we're going to keep going down, though. All right. Let's see. Oh, it is going down. This shit might drop. Is he going to bounce there or is it going to keep dropping? I'm scared. Oh, my God. It bounced there again. I thought it was going to keep going down. It bounced right off of this shit again. Come on, blow through it. What do I need? Get the fuck down there. Give me half a smash right now. Let's go. Oh, my God. Come on. Oh, hit it. Hey. Oh, I made too much. Oh, no, I didn't. I made $15 too little. Uh-oh. I guess I'm going to have to trade micros. Is Wayne Brady going to have to choke a micro? Right fucking here. Oh. I'm right here. I don't know if I'm going to get it. I was hoping it came down to about this level. Come on. Do I even need that much? I don't even need that much. Oh, man. Man, if I could fucking get these pass and load up and then not do dumb shit, I could be in a really good fucking place in like a week. Clover, what up? Trade day, you could go until 5 p.m. or 4:59. My advice would be get out before. Don't let it get that close. Get out at like 10 to 5. Lee, if you're talking about a 50K or what? A 25K? No, a 50K. I don't know. 3 at 585 and 1 at 615. Yeah, it's 50%. So your biggest day can't be more than 50% of your total profit. A 50. Oh, yeah. Monica. Yeah, well, Monica, a lot changed from Friday to today. I don't have them anymore. I blew them. I had one at 2,500. Fucked it up because I'm a dummy. TJP. Oh, nice, bro. TJP, great job. Mohi. Well, I'm not passing. I'm halving. We're halving. We played half a smash and won twice on the stream. I'm 2 for 2 on the stream. Did I hear any Easter deals, Eminem? No, not yet. Baby boss. Where are my pro accounts? They're gone because I fucked them up this morning. I had 2 of them. I had one of them at over the buffer at $2,495 and I fucked it up because I wanted to get a little bit more. I thought I could catch another big move and make it a big day, but I fucked it up. And then I had a 25K that looked really good and then another 50K. They were all green at some point. I fucked it up. So I got to start over. And this one, I don't know what the fuck is going on with this one. This one's been passed since last week. Sorry to disappoint you guys. I hope you don't lose respect for me. Stock cards and bets. What up? Nomadic. Canadian. What's good? 12:15 p.m. Eastern. I'll be on Top Step TV tomorrow. Simon. Yeah, bro. I traded the fuck out of Apex. Here are my funded accounts. I blew one of the new ones today because I was fucking around during the open. The other 6 are good in here. The other 6 are just fantastic. This one's looking fucking amazing. I don't know. I still got to grow it by what? $13,000? Jesus Christ. I got so much work to do on that account. If I could just have like two $5,000 days, I feel better. But I don't know. I'm not going to try and push for that. And then I blew 4 funded accounts in a weird way this morning. The other 8 are good. I had a bunch of fucking evals that I wanted to cancel the rebills on, and I forgot to. And I passed only one of them. So I'll have 15 funded Apex accounts tomorrow, I guess, or later. Who knows what I'll have tomorrow, but later I'll have 15. This is right here. This is where my priorities are. My main priority is getting day 5 locked, $200 or more. That's my priority. $200 or more, day 5, so I could request $1,150 times 3 at the least, at the very least. That's my priority right there. Because I want to, I don't want to have to I'm definitely not going to wait to trade it while I'm on Top Step TV. My goal is to be able to go on Top Step TV and say, yo, guess what I fucking did, dogs? Locked in another payout times 3, and then see if I can pass these 2 combines that are halfway up. So we'll see. Yeah, Simon, I need to be consistently making I want to be consistently making 25 to 30 grand a month from trading. Minimum. But, everything takes time. We're all going through we're all on a journey. You got to eat the elephant one bite at a time. One bite at a time, they say. Yeah, baby boss. It's like a normal fucking day almost. Bowser, yeah. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. Yeah, at this point, I'm like a regular on there. Mac Emil, what up? You could have 20 total funded Apex accounts. So however that's divvied up, that's how it is. Design knob. They just said they said my name. Say my fucking name. I love when people say my name on their streams. Cindy James. Tiago, what up? Lots of green. It looks great until I tell you I blew 3 funded fucking Take Profit Trader accounts today, and one was actually over the buffer, and I could have taken a payout. But whatever. I got nothing to hide. I could have lied and said, "What do you mean? I never had those funded accounts yet." I should have lied. Eddie, say my name, say my name. Yep. No one is around me. Say, baby, I love you. Am I going to grow these PAs more today? I'm done trading the PAs. I'm done trading everything for today. The way I went about all of this wasn't optimal for me. I trade. It's weird. I have better days in wealth charts. Look at how my accounts are in wealth charts. This one's up $2,000 after 2 days. This one's up almost $1,500 after 2 days. This is up. This is 1 day. No, this is after 2 days. No. This one's up 673 after 1 day. This one's up 583 after 1 day. This one's up 1,500 after 1 day. This one I got to grow to like 5,000 plus. 1,519 divided by 0.3. I got to grow this fucker to 5,063. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Right? We'll see. The fuck? Why can't I see the top of this fucking thing? This shit is so fucking annoying. There we go. I just yo, Neil. Middle class charts. These charts went from ashy to classy. Still not a huge fan of this shit. But the accounts were cheap. The accounts were cheap, and so were the fucking the funded activations too. Oh, by the way, Money Vidi. I'm getting used to it. I still don't like it that much. It's okay. There's certain things about it I just don't like. But I don't know. I seem to be holding trades longer. That's for sure. Yeah, the 25Ks are nice. GMAT, what up? Yeah, I know. I know about that long schlong. I've been telling people to do that since November. If you violated any rules, if you violated any of the improper risk management rules, um, you have to request to get yourself out of a violation. The consistency rule, you have to grow the account. Any of the consistency rule, if you have a day that's more than 30% of your total profit, you have to keep growing the account. Yeah, it's not great. It's not great. I don't know. The fact that there's no fucking order block, like the order block doesn't have the bid and the ask. It doesn't have the bid and the ask. I don't know what the price. I don't know like what the spread is. I don't know what the fucking spread is. I have to literally look. I'd have to look here to see what the spread is on TraderVate. Why is this not anywhere of it? Where is this? Why is this nowhere to be found on fucking well charts? The DOM doesn't do it, Dan. I'll put the DOM up. You want to see the DOM? The DOM doesn't do it. I already had that shit on there, and I hate the fucking DOM. Trading DOM. Yeah, we'll put it right here. Really? I don't see anything. All it's showing is where the fucking orders are. You guys can't even see this, right? Hold on. You see it? I don't see shit. What the fuck is this? That's the copier. What the fuck just happened? Is this real life? Is this real fucking life here? You guys can't see that because it's all the way to the left and my head's in the way. Okay. Bid orders. Where's the I don't see it. I don't see anything yet. You guys see it? I don't see shit. Still don't see bid and ask. Still can't figure out the spread. You think I'm going to try to figure out what it is here? We need to keep shit on a third grade level for me, guys. This is too advanced for me. I hate the DOM. Layouts. Custom. There we go. Get the fuck out of here with that DOM. Oh. Yeah, those numbers flash and don't help me, bro. That doesn't do shit for me. This is what I need right here. That's all I want. I never liked the Dom. I've had the Dom on my shit. I got rid of it immediately. This is what I want right here. You see this? I want this. I want the last, the bid, the ask. That's all I'm asking for. Even fucking Project SlipX has it. Even Project X has it. I'm not fucking with the Dom. Fuck the Dom. Here, look. Look at that. Bid, ask. That's not too much to ask for. It's a fucking basic. I'm pretty sure fucking Volumetrica has that shit. Fuck the Dom. The Dom ain't for me. I'm not saying you guys shouldn't use the Dom. I'm saying I don't want to use that shit. It's the same information in a different way. I don't want to have to be like looking up and down and trying to follow the shit going up and down and seeing all the shit flashing on the screen. Just give me the fucking numbers right here. Everybody sees things differently. Have I heard of SARMs, Simon? Yeah, I know what SARMs are. I know what that is. What up, Ian? Yeah, we got, you know what sales going on with my Fund the Futures? 40% off eval to live. Either one. 40% off those eval to live accounts using the best code ZERODAYJAY. Everything else is 5% off, including resets. The free stock charts from where? Oh, you're saying like even Gary's even saying like even the free shit. Oh my God, just ain't right. You know how many fucking evals you could have bought with that? DBT. It's true though, right? Keep this shit fucking simple, man. I don't want to have to try to fucking. It's bad enough I got to figure out what I'm seeing with the chart, with the actual candles. I don't want to fucking be trying to fucking watching the fucking Dom, the order going up, all the shit going up and down. Let's add the Dom here. Let's add the Dom. Especially during like crazy fucking volatility or like when the market opens. Yeah, let's add the Dom. Look at this shit. Hold on. Where is it? It was just at 18904, 18903, 901, 905, 908, 18, 899, 18. Fuck this shit. I'm good with that. I'm good with that shit. No thanks. Hard pass. I don't even want it on my screen. I don't even care if I was using fucking spit hot fire keys. I felt like I was at a fucking at one of those auctions where the guy's talking really fast. We got a 75, 7,500 pounds going once, going twice, 75, 78, 79, 75, 75, 75. Do I hear 7,700? Do I hear 88,000? Fuck that. I'm good on that. Auction, yeah, exactly. Conizer. Yo. Tops have given us a free reset. Why? A lot of people use the Dom and they've been like imploring me to use it. I'm like, and that's why I don't use it. My brain doesn't comprehend numbers jumping all over the place. I just want to see it right here. Show it to me right here. Perfect. Thank you. Jamila. DBT, like that? That's probably because I'm from New York. I can talk fast. Fast talker from New York. No, I get it. I get it. I know it's good for some people. For me, I'm not fucking with it. Roger Adams. Roger Adams is unsubscribing because I won't use the Dom. God damn it. Not Roger. Roger, say it ain't so. Oh, shit. We're what the fuck? Here's 1 o'clock. We're down 100 points from 1 o'clock, from 4 o'clock when the market closed. What just happened? What'd I miss? Yo. We're basically almost at break even now. We're at yesterday's. Is that the higher day or the lower day? We're at Friday's higher day. We're back at Friday's higher day. Look at this. Man, look, we rejected. Look at this. Look at this. Let me go to the 15-minute. Look at this. It took literally all fucking day to come back to the top orb. It was right around the open. Right around the open, we fucking retested the top orb from when the market opened yesterday at 6 p.m. And we are down 400 points. 400 points from the top orb. We bounced off. We retested. We came to the bottom orb and bounced off of that. And, you know, I guess tried to retest the high, but we came nowhere near it. And then dumped. Came back up. We rejected off of this pivot point. Look at this pivot point. Look at this. Look at this. Off of that pivot point, we're down fucking 235 points. Crazy. This is all. It's after fucking 4 o'clock. It's 4:20. Be good, just ain't right. Mwah. Liberation Day. Yash. Stephen Cox. Yeah, this shit just dumped all over everyone's face. I wonder if it's going to, like, this is support right here. You think it's going to go all the way down and retest the lows? I don't fucking know. Let me see if I got a free reset. Not that I need one. Where do you see it? You get an email? You get an email or some shit? Oh, shit. It's an email. How long is this good for? Oh, shit. Here's a reset on us. Oh. We have until Friday, April 25th. I'm probably going to need another account by Friday, April 25th. Oh, shit. Love it. They're just buttering everybody up for fucking 50% consistency. Oh, by the way, guys, just buttering you guys up. You want to top step? Mo. What, you want to see my workstation setup? By the way, if you guys want to join, you just ain't right. You just got buttered up by your dentist, bro. Hey, I'll take a picture of my workstation and then I'll post it in the Discord. You guys want to join the Discord where the DCA gang hangs out? The Zero Fucks Given crew? The DGen fam? Here's the link. It's free to join. They sent JP, you got to check your email. There's a link in the email. P Shenanigan, what up? Yeah, Pro Trader Mike. Yup. I'll take a picture of my fucking workstation. Look at this fucking shit right here. Prepare to be fucking blown away. Hold up, though. I gotta text it to myself and then fucking pop it in the fucking. In the Discord. I'm telling you, I have the largest, the bestest, the most bestest, largest fucking trading setup on the prop firm streets. You ready for this shit? You guys ready? I don't know if you guys are ready for this. Look at this shit. Look at this. Here's my fucking setup, baby. Boom. You guys don't even you guys aren't even ready for this. Some of you guys already know because you've seen it before. Some of you guys aren't even ready for this shit. Where is this shit? I gotta post it. Workstation setup. Here we go. You guys ready for the thunder? Boom! Look at that. Oh, hold on. Hold on, let me move my head. You guys ready? Oh, look at this. Boom! Look at that shit. Boom. One laptop. That's what I trade on. I trade on this fucker, and then I monitor the stream on this when I'm streaming. This is like my work laptop. I've had this thing since 2016. January of 2016. Bought it new. This I got used. This is an M1. This thing is a fucking amazing. Try not to fucking, don't copy me. Don't copy my trade state. Don't be a biter. Don't be a biter. We all know I got the best, the biggest, the bestest, the largest, the most fucking profitable workstation setup, guys. Try not to fucking be a biter, okay? Jonathan Trentwell, what up? Damn, look at that. Almost retested. I mean, we were 60, almost 60, like 50 something points away from the lows, low of day. We dumped. And when I say look at this, look at this. Long schlong. Why do you care, bro? Some of us are going to get good at trading because of the prop firms. The ones that don't, they'll have to figure out another way to do it. Why do you shit on prop firms? No one's shitting on trading a personal account. Shenanigan, Casa Lisk. Yo, exactly. I saved those for DMs, for sliding in. Anybody who tries to claim a free account from a giveaway, I saved the D pics. I saved the dick pics for them. I'm like, here's your free account. Oh, the fucking. Yo, Neil, you like that shit, right? Oh my God. Does the negative consistency rule, it just goes up. It's 50%. When I forgot what the number is, but I think when you get over 5,000 in profit, it goes from 30% to 50%. You're talking about the drawdown rule, right? Where the trailing rule, it jumps from 30% to 50%. Tickle, what up? Matt. Just ain't right. Everybody, that's when the rug pull happens. Jay, here's my screenshot. I grabbed the Take Profit Trader account. Thanks, man. I'm like, yeah, sure. Here's a dick pic for you. Shari, what's up? No, nothing. Rafal, what up, man? Anything over 2,000 on a 50K, bro. Stealth, what's good? Yeah, exactly, Stealth. Exactly. It's like anything else. A very small percentage of us are going to get to a point where we could successfully trade a live account, a personal account. For the rest of us, I don't see anything wrong with trading with prop firms. Yeah. Yeah, Yash. He's about to clean them out. I bet they kick him off too. And so, you know what's going to be funny? If they kick him, if they don't let him trade on Apex anymore, it's going to be funny watching the people fucking cry about it, saying, "Oh, they kicked off Jade. They just paid him 1.6 million. They don't want him to fucking run it back and do it again." Got him. Sovereignty. Re. It is 75% off. Option 1 or option 2. When you use the best code ZERODAYJay, at least, let's see. What is it telling you? Let me just double check this. Bulenox. I'm going to test it out right now. Yeah, it still works. It works. Look. You motherfucker. I'm posting this in the Discord for the stream, of course. Look, Reed. Don't mind me in the Discord. Nice little bounce here. Yo, we just fucking bounced 75 points, 76 points at fucking 430. Crazy. Look, it works. Is my head in the way? Is my big ass head in the way? There it is. ZERODAYJay. There's the discount. It worked on the 10K too. It works on any size, I think. The only one worth getting is the 50K anyway. Don't get anything bigger. What are we doing here? What the fuck is going on here? What up, Gail? I have another company. Adams Wong, what's good? Oh, because of the margin, Adam? Yeah. Why would I fucking put 20K in an account? I could just get fucking, if I want 20K of drawdown, I could just get what? Two fucking 250K fucking Apex accounts for what? Like less than $100 or whatever it is now? Samuel, what up? Samuel. You really want me to go? You want me to go? What else do you want? You want my social security number? Hold on a sec. Let me log in. I'll hide my screen and show you. I've been trading with Apex since October of 2023. Dave Pastor, what up? I do online marketing since 2005, full-time since 2013. Here are all my Apex payouts. It's like 39,000 total, a little over 39,000. Fucked myself out of 10,000 about a week ago. Fucked myself out of 6,000 in February. Working to get as many of these to payouts as possible. Tuition is not paid off. Jay Jackson. No, I don't think he got paid yet, G-Matt. They're looking for ways to deny his payout. You know how it is. They're looking for a reason to deny it. They're hoping he violated a rule somewhere. They're hoping and praying. $25K on what? Apex? Zorella's not in the pool. Maybe Darrell, maybe Jade Cap is going to let Darrell hang out in his pool. I mean, great job by him. That's a fucking monumental achievement, man. It's fucking crazy. What up, Michael? Obviously, it helps. Atonement, what up? They're giving everybody a free reset. They're buttering us up for when they go to consistency. They add a consistency rule on the funded accounts. I mean, I don't know, Rafal, on those big, I don't know what size he trades with, but those accounts are massive. Like he's had those accounts, he's taken them to, what is it? He's taken them beyond 5 payouts. He's had multiple payouts with those accounts. Now he's in the place where he could take it all out. Russell, yeah, I know. I got new compounds earlier this morning, but whatever. Check your email if you have an account. You got an email, Atoll, man. Matt. Yeah, I mean, I doubt it. I think he's just trading the. I don't know what he trades, but I never seen him trade. He's obviously good. Crypto just short. Roger Adams. I hope I remember to bring up, like, somebody suggested I trade the Dom. You want to see me trading the Dom, guys? Huh? I'm not going to be on there by myself. I'm going to be on there with Cove again. They liked us together. Benny. Yeah, well, you could trade 3 micros in this fucking environment and get hella gains. Coach Fred. I don't know, JK. I don't know. Well, I mean, I only had XFAs until I got these 2 this morning. These are like this one, these are blown or whatever, but I don't know. I got the email. I can't use it. I can't use them yet, but I'm sure I'll be able to use it before April 25th. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in a benzo. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Neil, I'm always DTF, but I'm not down with ETF. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's get to 100 likes, or I'm shutting down the studio. What are we doing now? Look at this shit fucking bounce. What a fucking bounce. We're up almost 100 points. We went up 100 points. Yo, D-Walk. Oh, man. Yo, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back. We went up to 92 likes. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. And like if you're going to bounce, whenever you bounce, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out. 400 likes, please, Stephen Cox. I don't know if he ran up. How much was it? 1.6? Stock cars and bets. This dude named JCap. He got to the point, he got those accounts to the point where he could take out as much, he could take it all out. And he did it times like 20. The accounts are big. Swallow me back, Jim Blob. Gail Swallows. What movie is that from? I don't know. It kind of slowed down, but look, we hit resistance here. We're kind of rejecting off of that, but I don't know. Gail Swallows. It's from a Scary Movie. It's Dewey. Not Scary Movie. It's from Scary Movie. Yeah. Star Wars. Yeah, I mean, I'm not trading this shit anymore. Hold on a sec. Let me make this look better. So anybody that hops on real quick, anybody that comes on the stream before we close, they're like, oh shit, Jay, look at that fucking green day you had. Look, guys, I'm green. You know how you make the red go away? You just fucking hide it. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I'm green everywhere. Zach, that's right. It's not the size of the hammer, but how you throw it at the nail. Debbie, double O Kevin. I'm out here getting habitual payouts. And this is my fucking setup. Miss Goody, comfy. I'm out here getting habitual payouts. Hold on, let me move this shit over. Habitual payouts with this. Try not to fucking be jealous of my fucking setup here. Look at that. This is what I trade on. This fucking laptop right here. You don't need to have 400 fucking screens. It's cool that, I mean, I love it. I love when I see people with their workstations. I get why they do it. But it doesn't mean like this one. Look at this shit. This shit is dope. Like, this is fucking crazy. This is insane. But you don't need that. You don't have to wait to have this perfect workstation like this before you fucking go and start getting paid trading prop firms or trading at all. I don't have like an office. I kind of work wherever. You know what I mean? Like, I kind of work. I'll work in the kitchen. I'll work wherever. I'll be in the pantry. Can't take this crazy setup like that with me. I don't have an office. So I just like laptops. I just like working with a laptop. Yeah, double O Kevin, they're not bad. I would do it before they fucking go to consistency. I don't know how to increase my resolution. Isn't that crazy? I'm fine with my resolution. I don't see any issue with how my shit looks right now. Is it not on 1080p? This is how I got this. Like, when I bought this from the guy that bought it, when I bought this M1. Yeah, Dan, I know, bro. I know. But you got I don't have a spot like that in my house that I could do shit like that. I don't know. When I got this laptop, this was my resolution. And I haven't touched it since. Yeah, I still work in the kitchen, Fred. I just don't stream in there. I got kicked out. I'm too loud. I'm about as far away from everybody as I could be where I'm at in this room right now. Well, my charts are only jammed up because I do this. I squish them together on purpose so I can see levels. I like to trade levels. But maybe I don't know. I don't really know how to. I'd have to fucking look up how to change my resolution, but it doesn't bother me. Yeah, design knob. F trades, what up? What did I do to get approved on these denied payouts? I didn't violate the rules. One or two of these denials was because of the 30% consistency rule. The rest of them were improper risk management. Justice. I just keep them on there, but I like the 34s are my favorite. The 34s, the 5-minute 21, the 5-minute 21 EMA, which is the 105 on the 1 minute, the 34 EMA and SMA. I got the 9. I got the 200 EMA, 200 EMA and SMA. I actually have the 21 5-minute 21 EMA and SMA too. Oh, this is the 300. I don't even really pay attention to this one. And then I have the VWAP. This thick red line is the upper, the VWAP. This is the upper of the VWAP band, and this is the lower the VWAP band. What would I say is my candlestick pattern for entry when price reaches one of my levels? Most of the time I'm looking for a bounce or a rejection, depending on what the shit's doing. What up? No. Yeah, that doesn't matter. I got paid. I don't know why these don't flip. They take forever to flip. It must be like an accounting thing. I got this money fucking. When did I get this money? I'll tell you. Let me tell you something. I'll show you. It's somewhere in here. I got approved on the 2nd. The money hit on the. What day was the 2nd? I got approved on the 2nd, which was Wednesday. I got the payment sent email on Friday, and the money was in my bank account. What day was the money in my bank account? Fuck. I thought I posted it on Twitter. Let me see if I can find it here. I know I posted it in the Discord. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it. Maybe. I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna log into my bank account. Got approved on the 2nd, and the money hit on the 7th. So the money hit in the morning on the 7th. Where's this calendar at? Got approved, requested on the 31st, got approved on the 2nd, got the payment sent email on Friday. The money was actually in my bank account on Sunday. I just wasn't available. It became available Monday morning. So from the day they sent the email saying the payment was sent, it took 1 business day. Ooh, we bounced. Yo, we just went up fucking 25 points. Jesus. So we're up now 100. We went up 127 points from this bounce here. Crazy. Crazy. Hey, no, that's the way to be, bro. I wish I could be as patient as you. Sometimes I just don't have patience. Floyd's Garage. That's right. You see only a bunch of green because that's how I want you to see, bro. Don't worry, it is red. 4 fucking blown accounts in the dumbest way fucking possible. And then I had some fucking evals that got rebuild. Some evals got rebuild, and I only was able to pass one of them. I didn't even want any of them, but whatever. Well, charts is looking good, though. This fucking thing. I need one more $200 day with Top Step. One more $200 day, and I can request a fucking payout. Arnie. Dumb shit. I don't even want to talk about it. The fucking copier didn't work right, and it kind of threw me. It kind of got me all fucking flustered and confused. And before I knew it, they were all gone. Yo, NQ Shadow, what up? Manco pack. Yeah. Is Will Charts cheaper? Not anymore. Not anymore. It's the same price as Trade of 8. You know what is cheaper, though? The activation fee is $85 a month. No, it just didn't. Like, what happened was I had 4 of the accounts in a group, and it didn't fill. I got in a trade. It didn't. I got partially filled, but only 3 of the 4 got filled. And then after that, it just turned into a shit show. It was 10 minutes of absolute fucking shit show. $20K, more than that. Lifetime, I think, Zach, I think it's still 125 lifetime, but the monthly is 85, so I go with the cheaper route. Yeah, the lifetime activation fee is 125 on Wealth Charts. It's $85 a month. That's what I went with. Yeah, Gregory Brown, Apex needs to give some free resets. They need to do fucking something, 80%, something, anything. DB. Yeah, I mean, I have the fucking DB. I got the I use my mobile when I do like whip streams when my son's at soccer and I'm chilling in the parking lot. I stream from my mobile hotspot on my phone and trade. Yeah, JY, I'm way over that, bro. But you know what? I'm one fucking killer fucking payout away from being at break even, so I don't care. It's all part of the process. I was closing the gap. You know what's crazy? If all of these payouts were max payouts, all of these smaller payouts, since they fucking switched their payout format and they now make you go over the buffer. If this was before November and all these payouts were 2,000 a pop, I would be profitable with them overall. But because it's not, and I decided to just take what I could get instead of going for max payout or bust, I'm still behind the 8 ball. But I did, I'm not worried about it. I will pay off my tuition at some point this year. Hopefully in the next month or 2. That'd be great. Yeah, Tommy, it's going to be pretty fun. It's going to be fun for sure. I need one more day, bro. One more day. And it's not like Apex is the only prop firm I'm trading or getting payouts from. Like, I'm one more day with these 3 accounts. These 3 right here, I need one more day. One more $200 day. If I could get the job done, right here, which is an hour from now, basically. We'll see, right? I'll see what I could do at that point. But if I get the job done, I'll be requesting 1150 times 3. No, 1050. 1050 times 3. So, and it's probably not going to be exactly 200 whenever it happens, if it happens. So 1050 times 3 minimum, because I'm at 1935 in this one, and the followers are at 1955. They're $20 more for some reason, because the fills are on. For whatever reason, they don't fill at the same time. Usually it's the other way around. Usually the leader is higher than the follower, but this time it wasn't. This time the followers are more than the leader. So I need one more $200 day on all 3 of these fucking accounts. See? And I'll be requesting at least, let's just say 2155 divided by 2. 1077. Well, let's just say 3,150 bucks times, altogether. I'll take it, but I got to get the job done, right? We're not there yet. It hasn't happened yet. I don't want to count the fucking money. It hasn't happened yet. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. I'll be on later for London. I don't know what time. Whenever I hop on. And then I'll be on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Oh, and I'll be on Top Step TV at 12:15 Eastern. So overnight for London, I don't know what time. It might bleed into the early morning. Top Step TV at 12:15 Eastern. Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern. All right, guys? Thanks again, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.